Hi guys, welcome to China's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to extract palm fruit concentrate. I'm going to start with washing the palm fruits. Now guys, these are palm fruits that I preserved. I made a video on how to preserve palm fruit to make it last for up to a year without putting in the freezer. And I put the link in the description. So if you are a lover of akwu and you like making use of palm fruits from time to time, you can consider preserving your palm fruits so that you can use from time to time, especially when palm fruits are off season. So once I'm done washing, I transfer into a pot and pour enough water to cover the palm fruits. And then I boil until it softens. Once it softens, I drain off the water from the palm fruits and then I boil some water which I'm going to be using to extract the palm fruits. Right now, I'm going to pound the palm fruits until it turns to pulp. Right after that, I transfer into a basin. And then I pour some hot water over it and stir. Once you're done, you're going to sieve this into another basin. You can repeat the process until the concentrate is fully extracted. For this second round, you can use your hand to extract the concentrate so that you can squeeze it out properly. But just make sure that the water is not too hot so that you don't end up burning yourself, okay? Now we have our palm fruit concentrate, which we normally use to prepare akwu. If you found this video helpful, please support this channel by liking this video, sharing this video, dropping a nice comment and subscribing. I have come to the end of today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.